I am learning English. I am learning English. She is going to school. She is going to school. She is my friend. She is my friend. They like to play together. They like to play together. I have a pencil. I have a pencil. It is sunny day. It is sunny day. She is our teacher. She is our teacher. I am very happy today. I am very happy today. He reads a book. He reads a book. She eats breakfast at 7 a.m. She eats breakfast at 7 a.m. I am writing a story. I am writing a story. She likes to dance. She likes to dance. They love chocolate sticks. They love chocolate sticks. He is very creative. He is very creative. She drives to work. She drives to work. I am editing a video. I am editing a video. I like to go to the beach. I like to go to the beach. I like to draw. I like to draw. He is reading a book now. He is reading a book now. I am making an art craft. I am making an art craft. He likes to swim. He likes to swim. I have two brothers. I have two brothers. They are studies in the library. They are studies in the library. We have a family dinner. We have a family dinner. They are watching TV. They are watching TV. I enjoy listening to music. I enjoy listening to music. He plays the piano. He plays the piano. They are cooking dinner. They are cooking dinner. I go to school by bike. I go to school by bike. He enjoy hiking. He enjoy hiking. They live in the big house. They live in the big house. I drink water every day. I drink water every day. He sings beautifully. He sings beautifully. He has a new car. He has a new car. We eat dinner at 8 p.m. We eat dinner at 8 p.m. She is my neighbor. She is my neighbor. I study English online. I study English online. He makes a delicious cake. He makes a delicious cake. She is reading a newspaper. She is reading a newspaper. I travel by bus. I travel by bus.